New and used RV sales are at a record high. If you don't get an inspection, you may end up paying for things twice. This is Howard with the NRVIA, and this is what to expect when inspecting. More often than not, RVers don't realize that it's really easy to overload their RV. Just because there's cabinets, there's storage space, all of that, doesn't mean you can put everything in it. So, it's really important to pay attention to what we call the cargo carrying capacity label. And that label will tell us exactly how much weight we can put in there. But what does that mean? Do we have to weigh everything before we put it in there? I don't know. How about you put all your items in there and you go get it weighed? Okay? We have sources and suggestions for that, but your NRVIA inspector will help you determine where that cargo carrying capacity label is, what it means, what does it include, and how it can affect you when you're traveling. Because if you overload that RV, there's numerous amounts of things that can happen. It affects the tires, it affects drivability, it affects how it handles, it affects a lot of things, and long-term can do a severe amount of damage to that RV. So what you put in it, and how much you put in it is really important. So if you're unsure about that, reach out to an NRVIA inspector and let them help you with that situation. If you'd like to find a certified NRVIA inspector, you can go to nrvia.org and locate one there. Thinking about becoming a certified RV inspector? Click on the link below to download the latest copy of our ebook and learn what it takes to become a certified NRVIA RV inspector.